Animal dissection. It has been happening in classrooms for decades, claiming the lives of millions of animals. But 25 years ago, Animalearn decided to put the life back in life science with the launch of our free dissection alternatives loan program, the Science Bank. It began as a service for compassionate students from kindergarten to college who were seeking humane methods to learn anatomy, physiology, and psychology without harming a single sentient being. The Science Bank began with less than 100 alternatives available for loan. As years passed, the Science Bank transformed and expanded, growing to include hundreds of resources that help students of all education levels learn life science without harming animals for educational purposes. Today, Animalearn even promotes the Science Bank to thousands of educators at conferences around the nation. As one of the first free life science loan programs in the United States, we are proud to say that the Science Bank remains a consistent and reliable resource for educators and students alike, while similar programs have dissolved. Today, the Science Bank is the largest life science loan program in the nation. Over the past 25 years, hundreds of teachers, students, parents, veterinary clinics, and summer camps have borrowed from the Science Bank. Many have written glowing testimonials about their experience using the products they borrow, solidifying the value of this program. As science, education, technology, and the world at large continue to grow and evolve, the Science Bank promises to adapt and remain a reliable resource for teachers and students who are hoping to make life science education humane by replacing the use of animals. Our end goal is to make humane life science resources the go-to learning tools for classrooms, taking animal specimens out of the equation entirely. We appreciate the humane students, parents, and teachers who borrow from us. You are all making a difference in the lives of animals, and you're setting the standard of compassion and sustainability in life science education. No matter what the future holds, the Science Bank will be there to support you. Thank you.